Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 screen dimming issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on display. Now from here, choose light display mode. And after that, scroll down and turn on brightness. Turn on this button, and after that go back to your home screen and swipe down to open control center, and then restart your mobile. Click on restart.